Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Smart TV with your laptop. So there are two ways to connect your TCL Smart TV with your laptop. So one is with the wire and the second is with the wirelessly. So first we are going to connect it without the wires. So in order to connect your TCL TV with your laptop wirelessly, you can cast your laptop to the TCL screen. So for example, first of all, you need an application. So this is the application. It's called AirScreen. You can easily find it in the Google Play Store. So you can go to the Play Store and you can search. You can search for AirScreen. And here, as you can see, I have already installed it. So once you have installed it, you can open AirScreen. So now, as you can see, this is turned on, and so I'm going to bring in my laptop right here. So now I can go on my laptop. I can easily go to the options on the top corner, and I can go to the screen mirroring option, which is available on every laptop. And from here on, as you can see, this is showing me Air Screen Union. I can click on it, and now it's loading. And now it is connected with my TCL Smart TV. So now I can use my laptop on my TCL Smart TV and I can navigate through it from right here. So this is how you connect your TCL TV wirelessly with your laptop. And if you want to do it with wire, you can easily do it with the HDMI cable. So every TCL TV has an HDMI port right here. You can simply grab that HDMI port and connect it with your laptop. You do not need any kind of external application like this AirScreen application. It will directly, if you can simply connect the HDMI cable, and then on the remote you can simply click on this button right here. When you press this button, it is going to show you options, and then you can click on the HDMI cable, select the HDMI port which you just connected with the laptop, and then it is going to connect your laptop with your TCL Smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.